This AI plugin supposedly lets you edit 10 times faster by typing inside of Premiere Pro and After Effects. Well, today we're gonna be doing a full honest review of this text to edit AI plugin for Premiere and After Effects. Let's go. All right, shout out Jacob, shout out Tiny Tapes. He just dropped a AI plugin called Terminal. Now Terminal is supposed to be a prompt to edit plugin, and you basically, from the tutorial and like what I've seen online, you can type and then it edits. So that seems pretty cool. Disclaimer, this is a paid plugin. I've linked down to it below if you wanna check it out, but let's just dive into it and see what it can do. So to open it, you just go to Window, hit Extensions, and just like any other plugin, you click on the name. And then it pops up and it's this cool little like Ask AI search panel button. I love the UI, by the way. The first thing I want to show you guys and what I saw in the demo is that you can literally just type in whatever effects or controls you want from the control panel and it'll just do it. So let's say example, we just want to scale this down to 50% instead of like, adjusting this manually or going over here to effects control, searching for scale and typing 50. You just go over here to terminal and you just type whatever you want it. Like scale to 50, right? And then boom, just like that, it instantly scales your video to 50. Or what if I want to change the saturation to 0? I can do saturation to 0, and boom, just like that, it makes it black and white. So as you can see, this is pretty cool already. Like it's able to apply some effects pretty quickly, and I'm just typing in the terminal. Now it doesn't stop there. There's actually ability for it to apply some of your own custom presets. So whether you have camera shakes or color grades or whatever, you can search those exact effects in here and then you can apply them. So let's try a thermal preset that I made earlier, and then I hit enter, and boom, just like that, we got our thermal crazy color grade applied instantly. That is pretty cool. As you can see, I'm just literally typing and the effects are being applied. What do you guys think so far? I don't know, let me know. They also have this for After Effects as well. I think it's kind of like, Video Copilot's search engine thing, but it has like some more AI features that lets you type exactly how you want these effects instead of having to search the exact style effect and then apply it. One other thing I think is cool is like the camera shakes. So we can apply any of these camera shakes. I think we actually have Jacob's camera shake effect pack right here. So I can literally just hit enter, and then it will apply the camera shakes to my clip. So sometimes it just takes a minute to load. That's honestly what I've noticed. Like if it doesn't look like it did anything first, it will just load like maybe a couple seconds later. And boom, just like that, we got this crazy camera shake applied. Look at that, that's so crazy. So, oh, that's so crazy. I'm such a clown. I don't know why I talk like this on my tutorials. Sometimes I wish I could just talk like I talk in normal real life. I think this is how I talk in normal real life. Okay, I'm done. Let's try something else. Oh, okay, there you go. Now it's applying. So yeah, as you can see, I accidentally hit enter and then it applied the camera shake to this entire clip. This works best for only like 4 frames, so I wouldn't do it here, but I'm undoing everything. You can see how it applied the effects all in that order. So it is really cool, the fact that you can apply any preset that you already have installed. I think that's probably the best part, because as somebody also who makes plugins too, for a lot of the effects in like our auto edit plugin, which is this one, shout out auto edit, it automatically edits music videos to the beat of the song and instantly applies visual effects. So if you want to check it out, it's linked down below. But for our effects, what we have to do, and I know just like from the development side, it's pretty hard to code in every single effect. So the fact that it's able to pull whatever presets you already have and then just instantly apply them is sick. And it does save a lot of time. So you can see I'm just messing around with it right now, and it is applying all of my camera shakes to these clips that I'm selected on. I will admit, honestly, just making it a completely honest review, it is a little bit slow, like there's a little bit of lag, but then it does apply pretty quickly. It's only about like 8 or 10 seconds of delay. One thing to note of is that you can go to your settings right here and you can turn off the auto close panel on success, because if you do keep this on, it will just automatically close once the plugin works. There's a lot of cool settings in here. Anyways, cool plugin, really. Overall, just wanted to show you a quick demo of this plugin. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you'd use? Is this something you'd find helpful for your workflow? Let me know what you think below in the comments. Now, also, if you want to learn how to automatically edit your music videos to the beat of any song and instantly apply visual effects using the Auto Edit AI plugin, you can check out this video linked right here.